Hey everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, I will show you how to configure video elements inside Cheetah. Now to add a video element, all you have to do is go up to the very top, select Add, go down and select Elements. Next, we're going to go down until we get to Video. Once you select Video, you're going to have 4 different options, 4 different companies that are partnered and work well with Builderall. So here you have YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, and Video. Now over on the left here in my website, I went ahead and added each one of those videos. Now why is because I want to be able to right click on it and kind of show you exactly the properties that show up. So for YouTube, you can go up here and just simply add the YouTube link of the video. You can also go in here and select the start time of the video as well as a finish time of the video. You can also hide the display controls and check or uncheck autoplay. So once the page loads, that will determine whether or not your video will automatically play. Now here is loop. Now autoplay and loop, please take in consideration that if you have other videos, it's going to sound really horrible if you got multiple videos autoplaying and looping at the same time. Now we also have the size of the video, maximum width. You can add a border, and just as I did in this example, I went ahead and took away the right angles or the sharp edges there and added a little bit of a curve on each one. And you can also go in and add animation. So once someone scrolls down on the page and they actually see this element, then what do you want it to do? Or, for example, I want to go ahead and select time, and I want to go ahead and maybe say in 10 seconds, we're going to have it fade in, keep it slow, and there you go. And this is exactly what you'll see this do once the page loads. Okay, so now let's hop over to Vimeo. If you right click there, you're going to see similar options. So at the very top, let's go to General Settings. Here is where you're going to add the Vimeo link. You can also select to autoplay and loop. You can change the size and other things just like you could with YouTube. Okay, so now let's take a look at Wistia. Wistia works the exact same way. Let's right click here, the general settings show up, and you can go in and add the video link right here with the similar adjustments down below. Now we go to Video. If you right click on Video, same thing, go up to the top, and you can embed or add the embedded link right at the very top here. Now some of these video hosts, what you could do is if you have a plan or you're upgraded, you can also go in there and adjust settings before you share the link onto your Builderall website. Lastly, let me go back up here to YouTube. If I right click again, we went over these settings over on the right, but these ones here are very similar to any other element. You can save the element, you can click here so that this shows up. You can also center it. You can also do the sticky video, and we'll take a look at that here in just a bit. You can also copy the element, and you can also hide the element. Now here, let's go in and select sticky video. Now it's going to give us just limited options here. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and select small, and we're going to go ahead and select the top right, which we had already selected. Let's go down and select done. Now we're going to preview this in a live website. Okay, so now let's take a look at the page. As we scroll down, the first area is going to be the YouTube video that we had animate after 10 seconds. There you go. It's shown up. Now as we scroll down, we also did a sticky video with that. So if we continue to scroll down, you're going to see the sticky video show up at the top right, just where we pinned it. All right, and that's how you configure video elements inside Cheetah. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.